Hey guys, today we talk about how can you select seats on your seats on your PaybyPhone app. We go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on account settings, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on personal information, just click on it here. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down, you keep going down here, you come here to set province here, click in this sign, and here can you select your state here in this list. So when you add it here like this, and you click on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.